This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So many people, actually, the people come from the Southeast Asian country or the overseas. We always hear the course, training, all this. But nowadays you keep hearing, what is a boot camp and what is the course, basically? I'm actually giving you in 1 minute. A training or a course, a small piece of thing you are learning. You are learning for multiple reasons. One is, you have done your college, you just want to learn something just to expose. That's the one intention. Second intention is, no. You are actually working in the industry and you need to learn a new tools or new areas for your job. Okay, that's called the training or the course. Simple. Means either your end goal is making money or end goal is just you want to grow some skills, but there is no end goal to make money. Now come to the bootcamp. A bootcamp is a combination of many courses, many tools, many process, many procedures. It's a package deal to prepare a student to be ready and start the job. Okay, so two different things. You cannot be like confused with the both things. A course is small things, can be done in 2 days and 3 days or 4 days or maybe 5 days. A bootcamp is combination of the many courses that you have to be prepared yourself, or you will be prepared, you will be taught, you will be actually gaining the hands-on experience, you'll be gaining the practical work experience, you'll be gaining the internship skills, you'll be gaining the project-centric experience. This all combination actually the bootcamp. So it is completely opposite of the typical courses or the training. So please make sure you know this so that it will be helpful, because it becomes a big shocking for the Southeast Asian people when they actually go to the boot camp and they're actually big shock. What is going on here, right? I thought it is a course. I thought it's a training. What is happening here? A boot camp is you are bypassing the 4 years degree, but you are gaining the skills in a short period of time, and you are making yourself for a 6-figure job. That's the boot camp. That's not the course. That's not a training. That's only possible in the boot camp. And the bootcamp students are well accepted across the USA. And the 95% of the company, they actually said, we don't need a degree. You can name Google, you can name Amazon, you can name Tesla, all the big companies. They don't care the degree. They want you to become expert, and you are a coachable person, and you are open to learn, and you can actually perform your job in the position they are hiring you, and they will pay you. Simple. So bootcamp is different, and bootcamp is the way to change your career in a short period of time. But the time, and you have to follow the process and procedures.